Hello student, good morning. How are you all of you? Now we are in chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. In this chapter we have to deal with Cartesian coordinate system. We know the Cartesian coordinate system very well. Suppose we take a two axis, it is a y-axis and it is a x-axis. Okay, x, here is x dash, here is y dash, here is origin. Okay, it is positive x-axis and it is negative x-axis. It is positive y-axis and it is negative y-axis. It is origin. The intersection of both the axes is O and the coordinate of this point O is 0, 0. We know this very well. Okay. Now there are 4 quadrants are available. First we have to take this quadrant in anti-clockwise. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. There are 4th quadrant. Okay. Now if we take any point P here, then this point has 2 coordinates. We know that abscissa and ordinate. ठीक है, here is x and here is y. We also study in standard 9. Now it is a point P, x and y. There are lots of points are available. It is a basic concept of standard 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite, and on this there are minus terms are available, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. and in the below minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, these points are available. Okay, now in coordinate geometry we have to learn about 3 sections. First one is distance formula, second one is sectional formula, and third one is area of triangle. Area of triangle using its vertex. Okay, we have to learn these 3 concepts. But while we see these 3 concepts, let us understand some important notifications we have to understand. If any point lying on x-axis, suppose we have any point lying on x-axis, means that it may be possible that in this region this point is available. Suppose I take this point, then what is the coordinate of this point? 3 and 0. First coordinate is chosen from x-axis and second coordinate is chosen from y-axis. This point is on x-axis, so y coordinate is 0. Now if we decide this point, then the coordinates of this point is 4.5 and 0. Clear? 4.5 and 0. If we take this point, then the coordinate of this point is minus 2 and 0. Understand? So we can say that if any point lying on x-axis, then y coordinate is here is 0, here is 0, here is 0, means that if the point is lying on x-axis, then y coordinate is 0. So I can write that point on x-axis. Point on x-axis. What is the form of point on x-axis? Is x0. Clear? और x कोई भी वैल्यू हो सकती है. Now what is in y-axis? Suppose we take this point, then what is the coordinate of this point? 0, 4. The coordinate of this point is 0, 3, and the coordinate of this point 0, 2. Suppose we take this point, then coordinate of this point is 0 and minus 3.5. Okay, so if the point is lying on y-axis, then x coordinate is 0. So we can write that point on y-axis is equal to what? 0, y. Clear? We can write that a0 and 0b, हम ऐसे भी write कर सकते हैं a0 and 0b. ठीक है, a और b राइट करें या x एंड y राइट करें, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. तो हम ऐसे दो पॉइंट ले सकते हैं. बट अगर पॉइंट कोई क्वाड्रेंट में है, अगर कोई पॉइंट क्वाड्रेंट में है, तो उसका कोऑर्डिनेट में क्या आएगा? x एंड y. मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा था कि इफ एनी पॉइंट लेइंग ऑन दिस क्वाड्रेंट या एनी ऑफ दिस फोर, देन कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ दिस पॉइंट आर x एंड y. So we have to take these 2 points. If point is on x-axis, then the coordinates are x0, and if the points on y-axis, then the coordinates are 0, y. Clear? Now in this chapter we have 3 exercises: 7.1, exercise 7.1, exercise 7.2, and exercise 7.3. 7.1 is dealing with distance formula, 7.2 is dealing with sectional formula, and 7.3 is dealing with area of triangle by using its vertex. Okay, so we have to discuss, first of all we have to discuss about distance formula. So let us see the distance formula. What is the distance formula? Okay, give your attention here. Distance formula is that we can find the distance between any 2 points in the Cartesian coordinate system. Suppose I erase it right now, no need of it, so I erase it. Okay, in Cartesian coordinate system, wait, okay, in this Cartesian coordinate system, here the point is first point A, and the coordinate of this point are x1 and y1, and any another point is lying on this, suppose I write it here B, point B, and the coordinate of point B is x2 and y2. Clear? So what is the distance between these 2 points A and B? We have to find the direct distance between these 2 points. So to find this distance we have to use this distance formula. Okay, so how we can write the distance formula? Okay, I write the description. The distance between 2 points, first point is A, x1 y1, and second point is B, x2 y2, is given by, and I write the distance formula here, given by AB. AB means distance between A and B is given by AB is equal to under root, here I have these 2 coordinates. So first of all let us see in distance formula, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x2 whole bracket square plus y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2 whole bracket square. It is the distance formula. Okay, you have to remember it. AB means distance between A and B is given by under root x1 minus x2 whole bracket square plus y1 minus y2 whole bracket square. Here x1 and y1 are the coordinates of A and x2 and y2 are the coordinates of B. It is given in our question. If we want to find the distance between them, then we can find. Now the AB is also denoted by in this form, distance between A and B. D and bracket A and B is also pronounced as distance between A and B, or it can also write BA, means distance between A and B. Okay, A to B का डिस्टेंस जितना होगा उतना ही डिस्टेंस B to A का ही होगा, ठीक है. So we can write AB or BA. Okay, now if x is equal to root 2, then x square is equal to what? Root 2 square means what? 2. Clear? So if we do the square of this both, then we have AB square is equal to x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Many times we use this formula instead of this. This both are same formulas. Okay, here is AB is equal to under root x1 minus x2 whole bracket square plus y1 minus y2 whole bracket square, or we can write this formula in this form. Here AB square is equal to, this square is become square root x1 minus x2 whole bracket square plus y1 minus y2 whole bracket square. It is also the synonym form of distance formula. Okay. Okay, now here we consider the distance between the point x1 y1, this point and this point. Clear? Now note down one thing. If we have 2 points, the first point is origin. The first point is origin O00 and the second point is Pxy. If these points are available, it is the origin and it is the point laying on any quadrant of in Cartesian plan. So what is the distance between these 2 points? We can write the distance between these 2 points OP as under root 0 minus x square plus 0 minus y square. 0 minus x whole bracket square plus 0 minus y square. If we simplified it, then minus x square become plus x square and minus y square become plus y square. Okay, so it is the distance between the origin and point laying in any of the laying at any place of the Cartesian plane. Now if the point A is x1 0 and point B is x2 0, what is the meaning of this two? Here the point A is x1 0 and point B is x2 0. What is the consideration available from these 2 points? If you have any idea, then you can say. The point A is laying on x-axis and the point B is also laying on x-axis. Okay, so these points are on x-axis. These points are on x-axis. So what is the distance between these two? If we can write the distance formula for this, then AB is equal to under root x1 minus x2 whole bracket square plus 0 minus 0 whole bracket square. So we can say that x1 minus x2 whole bracket square, no need to write this term is 0. If we find the square root of this, then we have only x1 minus x2. Here we have only this, but we don't know which is bigger, x1 is bigger or x2 is bigger. So we have to take its absolute value in the mod. So we have to write this answer. So AB is equal to mod x1 minus x2. We can write in this form. If these 2 points are laying on y-axis, then what happened? If these 2 points are laying on y-axis, then the coordinate of these points are, I write here, A is 0, y1 and B is 0, y2. These points are laying on y-axis. Then what is the answer? The distance between these two is given by AB is equal to under root 0 minus 0, no need to write this. Okay, 0 minus 0 square plus y1 minus y2 square. So we have y1 minus y2 whole bracket square. If we remove the square and square root, then y1 minus y2, but we don't know which is bigger, y1 is bigger or y2 is bigger. So we have to write its absolute value AB. Okay, now remember one thing, the value of AB, distance is always पॉजिटिव. क्लियर? डिस्टेंस है वो ऑलवेज कैसा रहेगा? पॉजिटिव रहेगा, कभी डिस्टेंस नेगेटिव होगा नहीं. तो ए बी की वैल्यू कैसी आएगी? ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव ही लेनी है. मान लीजिए कि हम किसी का स्क्वायर रूट निकाल रहे हैं अंडर रूट 16. अब ये डिस्टेंस में लिखा है ए बी अंडर रूट 16, तो हम इसका आंसर सिर्फ +4 लिखेंगे, -4 लिखेंगे नहीं. क्लियर? सो आज के लिए सिर्फ ये थियरी. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज का हम अगले वीडियो में अभ्यास करेंगे. ठीक है.